So the new exhaust from CIP1 came in today. Very pleased with the quality so far. Nice finish to keep it from rusting, but I'm sure that'll come off the first time it gets good and hot. But I think it's made in Denmark or Germany. Looks like Germany. But it looks like a very nice piece. Hardware for mounting. I thought I had ordered the kit with the brass nuts, but apparently I didn't. That would have been a little nicer. And then all the seals and gaskets for the muffler to the head and to the J pipes. And then I went with the 10.5-inch stainless steel pipes so they won't rust. And then the clamps to secure the pipes to the muffler. So overall, so far I'm very pleased. Hopefully it'll fit well. But that's a project for another day. So be sure to check back soon. Hopefully we'll have everything done and ready to go. One thing I didn't do when I replaced the intake a couple years ago, because basically I just forgot, was to put new seals, gaskets in the intake where it goes into the head. Luckily, I do have them, and I will probably go ahead and do that while the exhaust is off, so I've got more room to work. One other thing too, this one rear engine tin, these threads right here were kind of boogered. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that up while I've got it out. Should be this one right here. Mm-hmm. There we go. All right, that's a lot better. So this is ready to go in. I will probably start on this intake tomorrow. Go ahead and loosen it up, tilt it forward, and put in the new seals. So again, a project for another day. I didn't feel I'm taking the intake loose. It was just going to be too hard to control all the tools and the camera at the same time. But as you can see by my mess, I'm well into it. Carb ready to be rebuilt. Got a new carb kit here. I don't think it's terrible, but I do think the ethanol in the gas has affected the accelerator pump. It's just not working as well as it used to. Generator stand, I'm going to clean it up and paint shoot, what do you call it? This. I'm going to paint that and clean up the generator stand. I've got nuts and bolts everywhere, as you can see, so I'm trying to be careful where I step and stand. But as you can see, new intake I put on a couple years is off. I don't have to take anything any further than this right here. When you lift the dog house, you got to just keep in mind to be careful of the oil cooler in here. But you can lift it enough to pull the generator and the fan out. An extra set of hands helps. My son helped me, so it can be done. Fuel pump gaskets and everything's going. I got new replacements for those. I really want to do more this evening, but I'm just too tired. It was a long day at work. But for the most part, we got a bunch done and ready to go. So tomorrow it's just cleaning up parts and putting everything back together. The last thing I'll do is rebuild the carburetor. I've done many of those, so it shouldn't be too hard. Come to find out, when I took the intake off, there were no seals at all. So whoever replaced it last did not put the seals on. So we've got new seals ready to go, and hopefully we can wrap this up tomorrow. If not, maybe Friday. But that is it for the evening. I'm tired.